To take advantage of BMO cashback offers, it is essential to understand the process and follow the steps outlined below. First, you need to have a BMO cashback credit card, which can be applied for online or in person at a BMO branch. Once you have the card, you need to activate it by following the instructions provided with your card or by calling the phone number on the back of the card. Next, you need to understand how the cashback program works. The BMO cashback credit card offers a certain percentage of cash back on eligible purchases, which can vary depending on the type of purchase and the card you have. For example, you may earn 3% cash back on groceries, 2% on gas, and 1% on all other purchases. To earn cash back, simply use your BMO cashback credit card for your daily purchases. Make sure to use the card for eligible purchases, such as groceries, gas, and other qualifying transactions. It is also essential to pay your balance in full each month to avoid interest charges and maximize your cashback rewards. To track your cashback rewards, you can log into your BMO online banking account or use the BMO mobile app. This will allow you to see your current cashback balance and view your transaction history. You can also set up alerts to notify you when you have earned a certain amount of cashback or when your balance reaches a certain threshold. To redeem your cashback rewards, you can do so through your online banking account or mobile app. You can choose to receive your cash back as a statement credit, which will be applied to your credit card balance, or you can have it deposited directly into your BMO savings or checking account. It is also possible to redeem your cash back for gift cards or other rewards, depending on the options available with your card. In conclusion, earning cashback with a BMO cashback credit card is a straightforward process that requires you to use your card for eligible purchases, pay your balance in full each month, and track and redeem your rewards. By following these steps and understanding how the cashback program works, you can maximize your rewards and get the most out of your BMO cashback credit card.